red beans and rice. Now the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go in with our andouille sausage. Alright, you see how this gets good and colorful now? So we're just gonna take these out and set these to the side. I'm gonna do a little bit of white dry wine. Just a little bit. And the rest, you know what I'm saying? So now we got some onions, some yellow bell pepper, and some green bell pepper. And also some celery. A little bit of crushed tomato paste. Chopped garlic. Just let that cook down for a few minutes. Now we're going with our red beans. Got a can of seasoned Cajun style as well, like I said, so we don't have to add as much New Orleans style seasoning. 3 cups of chicken stock and a bay leaf. Now that it's coming up to a boil, just gonna go ahead and drop in our sausage and also a little bit of hot sauce. Smells delicious. Now we're just gonna let it simmer and cook down for another 15 minutes until it kind of thickens up a little bit. And then we'll add our rice and we're good to go. Look at that. Yeah. Just dump that right over the top of the rice. You can see all the beautiful stuff that we put in there. The sausage, the bell peppers, both colors, the yellow, the green. And then if you like me, and you like juice and all of that, just kind of take this and just pour that right over the top. Red beans and rice.